guys, welcome to my channel. It's Adush. I am Adesha. I hope you all are doing well, and in today's video we are going to discuss about weight loss journey, the permanent and happy, easy, safe weight loss and healthy lifestyle. So I know I'm not the leanest, but I'm the happiest. So there are a lot of people to tell you this. Beta, you can lose weight overnight. Number 2. You can lose weight by fasting for hours and hours. And come to our gym. You can lose weight after that. The number 3. Puttarji, you can lose weight by drinking करेले का जूस with गोबर की पानी और उसमें थोड़ा दही और घी मिला दो और उसको रात को पी के सो जाओ और तुम सुबह तक घटा चुके होगे 10 किलो वजन. But you guys know that these are not gonna help. So in today's video we are going to discuss about 5 those points, 5 those lifestyle changes that will help you to lose weight permanently. So the first point is no crash diet. Guys, skipping meals are of no use. There are a lot of diets available in the market like keto diet, no carb diet, low carb diet, etc. People follow these diets and lose weight. I don't believe it. Because as you see, these diets are not for permanent weight loss. I mean, we do this diet for few days, few weeks, few months or few years. What after that? We will end up eating more, eating junk food and even put on more. So that's why I would recommend you to have everything but in moderation. That is, if you are craving for a big slice of pizza or big slice of cake, then I would suggest you to have that cake or have that slice of pizza, but substitute one of your meal according to the time. So the point number 2 is no high intensity exercise. Yeah, here I wanna tell you the most important point of weight loss. If guys, weight loss is 80% of your diet and 20% of your exercise. So when people say that abs are made in the kitchen, they're actually right. So if losing weight is your only goal, if you don't wanna build muscle mass, then I'd recommend you to go for just a 30 minutes of walk or floor workout for 30 to 45 minutes. Because what happens if you spend long hours in gym doing hard exercise, then you will feel more hungry and eventually you will end up eating more. So the third point is eat only when you are hungry. Yeah, but the question arises here is how to know whether you are really hungry or not. I have the solution. Apple taste. So what is apple taste? Whenever you feel you are hungry, ask yourself, am I that much hungry to eat a big red apple? If the answer is yes, you are really hungry, go and have something to eat. But if the answer is no, then it's a false alarm. Go and drink a big, big, big glass of water. Yes. So the fourth point is drink water. Yeah. Drinking water is the best thing you can do for your body. It will not only keep you hydrated all the time, but also it will help you to look younger. It will make your skin glow more. It will save you from the unwanted hunger issues, and it will keep your digestive system active and healthy. So yeah, drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. That is 8 to 12 glasses. So yeah, the last but not the least, the fifth point is be patient. Yeah, respect your body, give it some time to adapt these changes. And weight loss is not a task, guys, it's a journey. So yeah, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. It's Anush, and if you like the video, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, press the bell icon. So I'll meet you soon, and until we meet, be safe, be healthy. Bye bye, take care, love you.